Okay, welcome to Standard 12 online lectures, children. Now, in the last lecture, we had talked about the sex determination in the human being, sex determination in the honeybee. Now, we had also talked about the concept of, we can say, that is the mutation. Okay, now mutation means what, children? Let us revise that topic. Mutation means, okay, that is a phenomena which results in the alteration of DNA sequence, okay, and consequently changes in the genotype and phenotype of an organism. Okay, now let us talk about the genetic disorders in this chapter, children, or in this topic, children. So genetic disorders, see what happens basically is that the idea that the disorders, we can say, inherited, they are being prevailing in the human society. Let us take an example of common, that is the diabetes, children. Now the diabetes, we can say cancer, thyroid, all these are, we can say, what, children, that is the genetic disorders. But after the discovery of, we can say, the mental practice of inheritance, that is in the human beings, okay, and he did in the experiment of the pea plant, we can say, we came to the conclusion that what are the factors by which the disease can occur. But the more, we can say, analysis of traits in the family, okay, can be given by studying the, we can say, pedigree analysis. That is the what, children? Pedigree analysis. Now this pedigree analysis will refer to the what, children? Okay, the assumptions by which the disease can be transferred from parents to the offsprings, we can say. Now let us talk about the pedigree symbols used in the pedigree analysis. That is, we can say, symbols used in pedigree analysis. Okay, now first of all, we can say, if a square is being given to you, it is of male, normal. If the same box is being given, but we can say of color one, then it is known as what? We can say defective male. Okay, similarly is the same case, that is if the circle, if I draw, it is of the female, so it is normal. And this is, we can say, if I draw this circle and we can see this one, this is what? Defective or defective female. Now if I draw a triangle, we can say, then it is said to be, we can say, what? The sex, we can say, unspecified. It is what? Sex unspecified, that we don't know what is the male or the female. Okay, now if I draw square and we can say, okay, then it is the mating, that is male and the female. Okay, now apart from them, if I draw, we can say, this chart, like this is the square. Let me draw it again. Okay, then we can say the mother, then we can say children. Okay, so these are the other part. So this is, we can say, denotes what? Okay, that is the parents above and children below. Okay, now The other one we can say, okay, let us take another example, that is, if this one, like if I draw a square over here, but if we can say, put a shading over here, then it will treat as the, we can say, parents with male child affected with disease. Affected with what? Disease. So this is how we can say. And if I draw about a triangle, we can say, again let me draw this. Okay, then if I write 5 over here, then it will say what children? That is the 5 unaffected offsprings. 5 unaffected offspring. Okay, so these are the symbols we can say. So male normal, affected male, defective female, female normal, sex unspecified, mating, then the parents with male child affected with disease, and if I draw one square and the circle, that is parents above and the children below children. Now, if we talk about the other topic, that is the, we can say, the Mendelian disorders. So see, Mendelian disorders, we can say, may be grouped into two categories. The first one we can say is the Mendelian disorders. Or we can say the genetic disorder. Let us write this word more specifically. That is, we can say genetic disorders can be studied by Mendelian disorders, or we can say chromosomal disorders. Chromosomal disorders. Now, see, Mendelian disorders are being determined by, we can say, alteration or mutation in single gene. In single gene, we can say. Whereas we can say the disorders, we can say, are being transmitted to the offsprings on the same line, we can say. Okay. Now, see, this Mendelian disorder can be also studied by the pedigree analysis. By the what? Pedigree analysis. Understood? Kya lage aapko? Now, the most common, we can say, example that are the, we can say, hemophilia. Now, hemophilia that we are going to study later on in this schedule, module, we can say. Then the cystic fibrosis, then we can say the color blindness, we can say. Okay, then the other part we can say, that is the sickle cell anemia. Okay, that all occurs in this, we can say. Now, chromosomal disorders, we can say, okay, are the orders wherein the duplication or the deletion takes place. Deletion or duplication of certain gene takes place. Yani ki at the 5th number position, 6th number position, that all takes place. And what are the disorders takes place? That we shall study, children. Okay. Now, let us move on to the first, we can say, the disorders of the, okay, Mendelian disorders, that is known as the color blindness. Now see, color blindness is a type of disease in which color of red and green is not distinguished. Okay, now apart from that, it is, we can say, a sex-linked recessive disorder. Now, as I'm saying that it is a sex-linked disorder, meaning This disease occurs on the sex chromosome, children. Are you getting, children? Now, so this effect is being present or seen in the X chromosome, especially on the, we can say, sex chromosome. Now, if we know that the males have what? The only one X chromosome, whereas the female has what, children? That is the XX chromosome. So now the understanding of the real picture comes over here. That is, in the male, the X chromosome has the color blindness. So the male will be what? Color blind. Okay, and in the female, if it is XX, it is carrier. It is what, children? Carrier. And if it is, we can say XC, so it will be what? Color blind. It will be what? Color blind. Okay, so please do understand, if the female carries only one X chromosome and the color blindness gene, then it is a carrier. But if it occurs on the both the alleles, then it is what, children? The color blind, we can say. And for the male, as it occurs on the sex chromosome, if it is occurring, then if it's present on the X single chromosome, it is what? XC, we can say. Now let us discuss the three cases in detail, children. Okay, now we can say the first case. In first case, what we shall study? That is the male is, we can say, color blind. Okay, and the other one, that is the female, okay, we can say is normal. The female is what? That is the normal, XX. So draw the Punnett square. X, C, Y, X, X. So what will be the Punnett square? XCX, XCX, XY, XY. So we can say the girl, we can say the girl will be carrier. Okay, so this girl will be, we can say, carrier. This will be, the boy will be normal, and the boy will be, again, we can say, normal. So if a father is color blind, the daughters will be carrier and the son will be normal. Okay, this is the first case, children. Now let us talk about the other case. That is, we can say, the second case. Now what does this second case has to do, children? That is, the female, we can say, is the color blind. XC, XC. We can say it is what? Color blind. Now the male, we can say, is the, we can say, what? Normal. Now let us draw the Punnett square. That is XC, Y, that is X, Y, XC, XC. So it is XCX, XCX. So it is XCY and XCY. So if a mother is, we can say, color blind, okay, so kya hoga, children? What will be the case? Okay, that is, the girl will be carrier. The girl will be carrier, and the other part, that is, the boy will be color blind. So if a mother is carrier, color blind, and the male is normal, so then it will be what, children? It will be color blind. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Understood? Now the third case, that is the third case. The third case in the which the female is, we can say, carrier. XCX, that is the carrier, and we can say the male, we can say, would be what? The color blind, that is XCY. Color blind. Let us draw the Punnett square. XCY, XCX. So it will be XCX, XCX, XCY and XY. So out of that we can say one will be colorblind, sorry, it will be colorblind, okay, it will be carrier, it will be normal, and it will be colorblind. So there are equal chances that the daughter and the son will be, we can say, colorblind, or we can say it will be normal as such. Understood? Children. So this is what it has to say, children, in the color blindness search. Okay? Okay? So this is all about, we can say, the color blindness as such. Now, it is the same case. Now see, this is the same case with the hemophilia also. It is the what? Hemophilia. The condition remains same. That is XC is what? Hemophilia. Whereas XCX is the what? Carrier for the female. Okay. For is the male, we can say what? XCY we can say. यहाँ पे H लिख सकते हो यहाँ पे. That is the, we can say what? That is the hemophilia. Okay, so just do it, children. Now, the next topic, that is known as the, we can say, sickle cell anemia. That is sickle cell anemia. Now see, sickle cell anemia, what happens is that the first, we can say, okay, disease, that is, it is the autosome linked recessive trait disease. Meaning it occurs in the autosome, that is not the sex chromosome, that is the 22 pairs that we have na, in humans. तो यहाँ पे वो okay sickle cell anemia होता है. Now it was being discovered by the scientist known as the Hendrick in the year 1910. Okay. Now what happens basically is that it occurs, we can say, on the beta chain of hemoglobin at 6th position. तो बीटा चेन जो होती है हीमोग्लोबिन की, उसके 6th पोजीशन पे the glutamic acid, we can say, which is being produced, is converted, or it is being produced valine. So in case of glutamic acid, valine is being produced, children. Okay, so this is, we can say. Now what actually happens over here, that is, just listen, just look at over here, that is what happens. See, this is the DNA which codes for the normal, that is CTC. Now the mRNA which codes for the CTC, तो C की जगह क्या आएगा? G. T की जगह क्या आएगा? A. C की जगह क्या आएगा? G. तो जिस GAG will code for glutamic acid. But the defected one, what will occur is that the defected one will, we can say, convert for, we can say, in place of A, sorry, so in place of CTC will be what, children? That is CGC. Okay, sorry, not CGC, it will be CAC, my mistake. It will be you can say C. So the mRNA will code for what? GUG. That is for, we can say, valine. Understood? Now, so this is the defect that occurs. Now what are the symptoms of the sickle cell anemia? That is, the O2 holding capacity O2 holding capacity decreases, and at the same time we can say the shape of the RBC we can say gets sickle cell. So what we can say, the individual does lose the oxygen holding capacity and normally the individual dies. Now look at the genetic structure. See, the males we can say or the females, as they are occurring in the autosome linked disease, if the HBA occurs, so it is what? Normal. It is what, children? Normal. But what if the HBA and HBS occurs, children? Then it is sickle cell anemia. It is what, children? Sickle cell anemia. Now, if you want to draw me the pedigree, then please do let me know through WhatsApp so that I can draw the pedigree for you, children. As of now, I am not doing because it is not in your syllabus. Okay, and if at all if you want to learn, then please let me know so that I can come to know, children. Now, the other disease that is known as the phenylketonuria. It is what, children? Known as the phenylketonuria. See, phenylketonuria, it is, we can say, inborn error of metabolism of autosomal recessive trait. Now again the same implies autosome 22 pairs, children, recessive trait. Okay, it is being present. Now, so what does the phenylketonuria has to say? It says that the affected individual, it lacks enzyme, okay, which converts the amino acids, we can say amino acid, that is the phenylalanine into triosine. यानी कि the conversion of the phenylalanine to triosine does not take place. तो उससे क्या होगा? The phenylketonuria takes place. Okay, so this we can say phenylalanine. If it is not converted into triosine, so it has to convert into another, we can say type of, we can say the compound that it converts into, we can say that is the phenylpyruvic acid. It converts into what, children? Phenylpyruvic acid. So what happens over here is, instead of converting into tyrosine, okay, triosine, the phenylalanine converts into the what we can say, the phenylpyruvic acid. Now this accumulation of this phenylpyruvic acid, okay, occurs in the brain, and we can say mental retardation takes place. And we can say the other symptoms are also, we can say, okay, the poor absorption of the urine, okay, takes place. That is the poor absorption of the urine in kidney takes place. So these are all the disorders that we have studied so far, we can say. Okay, now the topics that are now left, that is the thalassemia, then the chromosomal disorders, we can say, and that is how we will finish this chapter, children. Understood? So this is we shall take place. Okay, that is right. So I hope you all have understood and seen this video. If at all if you have a doubt, then please let me know, and if you want me to draw the pedigree of the sickle cell anemia, we can draw that, children. Okay, so this is for all these children. Okay, that is, thank you very much.